The Oxford Dictionary's 2014 word of the year is vape. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is a book, who cares? But in a larger sense, vape defines 2014. No pun intended. E-cigs are a growing part of our culture, which allows nicotine addicts, cool teens, or anyone to finally smoke without consequence. Or do they? This week on the Facts podcast. E-cigs replace tobacco with liquid vapor, granting them freedom of the restrictions on their tobacco counterparts. Free to smoke wherever, even in workplaces, until states began banning public use. U of A has recently placed bans on on-campus vaping. Why? E-cigs should be banned in public facilities because of the harmful effects of vaping, and smokers should instead use FDA-approved aids to quit. It's true the main ingredients found in e-cigs, nicotine, flavored concentrate, and dilutants raise no red flags, but there have also been found multiple lung irritants, as well as benzene and formaldehyde, which are two cancer-causing carcinogens. Secondhand vape is also a concern. Vapor particles are 3 milligrams per cubic meter. That's 100 times the EPA's determined exposure limit. It's estimated that 40% of the inhaled particles will deposit in the lungs. Studies show that MRSA bacteria is harder to kill with natural antibiotics, and experiments results show triple growth rate in the lungs of mice exposed to e-cig vapor. This is due to the reaction creating a thicker biofilm coating on the bacteria. But has liquid nicotine ever killed anyone? The answer is yes. Just recently, a New York infant died after ingesting liquid nicotine. It takes just a teaspoon to be lethal to small children, and rates of exposure have skyrocketed in recent years. There are no child-proof packaging, and it comes in flavors such as cherry, orange, and grape that would entice little children. Some support e-cigs for its pharmaceutical purposes. With 1 in 5 smokers trying e-cigs, it seems they would work well as a smoke cessation. The only problem is the FDA doesn't support e-cigarettes yet and is equipped with multiple quit aids that are already proven to increase your chances to quit by over 25%. There's nicotine patches, gum, lozenges, inhalers, and nasal spray. They all use scheduled small doses of nicotine to help end substance dependency. The FDA has also improved Chantix and Zyban, which are nicotine-free solutions that impede nerve receptors from responding to nicotine stimulants.
Right now, it's like the wild, wild west in terms of what people are doing. The products are evolving with no regulatory oversight and being marketed in ways that are very worrisome.
This morning, the FDA is proposing new regulations for e-cigarettes. Under the new rules, e-cigarette sales would be banned to people under age 18. A warning label would be placed on the devices, and e-cigarette manufacturers would be required to tell the FDA what's in their products.
It was Thomas J. Glenn of the American Cancer Society who put it best. E-cigs may be a useful cessation tool, but no more than the nicotine patches. E-cigs are still in the early phases of testing, and I say, until more testing is done, e-cigarettes should be put on lockdown for the moment.